Alright guys, it's Tuesday, February 10th, I think it is. So I did some research. I watched a video. It's like a 43-minute video on somebody doing the same thing I'm doing. I'm going to probably try to follow his directions. I don't have a light. What he did was, let me try to get my phone set up here. He glued in the weather stripping. So I glued it in. I don't know if you can see. All right here in that channel. Goes all the way down. So I glued it in there. Okay. I didn't glue up here. I figured what I'll do is I'll wait till the window's in. For one thing he did when he put his regulator in, he had the slide rail off and then put this on the regulator and then put the window in and screwed it all together. I can't get this off without drilling these out, and I honestly don't want to do it, so I'm going to try to do it with the regulator at once and then put the wing window in after the window's in. So I don't know how well that's going to work. I'll let you know. The video I saw showed him putting the window and the wing window in at the same time. I'm probably not going to video it because I need two hands and I'm only allowed 15 minutes for some reason on YouTube. Even though I am confirmed, my iMovie won't load more than 15 minutes. So anyway, I'm going to try to make it short and get you guys back here when I have some more progress on this. Alright, so hang tight. Okay, so I've been fighting this thing. I got the window in to find out that the wing window won't fit with the window in. So I had to pull it all back out. I had to, I don't have the tool for these screws, so I cut a groove in it. And you can see it probably. Yeah, see? Made it a flathead. So I ended up using a big screwdriver. This guy here. And taking it out. So now I can get it in. Hopefully without dropping the screw would be a definite bonus. There we go. There we go. Okay. It's in. And it works. Next, I have to do is get the wing window where it needs to be, and then I'll be good to go. So I'm going to work on that. Get that screwed in. There's grease all over it, but I'll get all that cleaned up, and then I'll bring you guys back. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, I got the two screws down there. That holds the wing window on, and then my flashlight doesn't work. If you can see it, there's the little screw right in here, and there's one there, and there's one up there, and I put that one in already, and that holds the wing window in. I'm going to finish putting those in, and then, oops. And then, yeah, crescent wrench. That was noisy. And then, I'm going to get the chrome molding in and then figure, or maybe glue this in. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll get you guys back. Alright, well that's where I'm at right now. See you in a minute. Alright, I'll set you guys up. I'm going to go ahead and seal this felt here. And then, just wanted to show you the door panel is on. Done, that part's done. So we'll just go ahead and do this felt. I'm gonna see if I can get you in here. Right about there. We'll walk in front of the camera a lot probably, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this on. messy. I'm not really sure how much to put on here, but I don't want it coming off, that's for sure. I could use a brush. Put some in here just in case it touches here. And then now I gotta put it all on top of this here. And let it tack up. Probably standing in front of the camera. Here we go. Now I'll get the back side. And then what I'll do is I'll just roll the window up and let it seal, or glue. Starting to dry already. Guess I'll have to buy some more. All I can find is this little tube. I'm using this 3M black, it says black super weather strip adhesive. I don't know if you guys can see it. I actually found it at Orchard Supply. I went to the auto parts store and all they had was the yellow, the elephant snot, that yellow stuff, and I really didn't want to use that. It's getting sticky already. I should probably set it up there. And then we'll put the chrome on, and gotta put the felt strips in there. And then other than that, it's about done. All right, let's crank this window up. Out of the way here. There we go. Hopefully that'll be good enough. There you go. Let's get the chrome on. Uh-oh, did I put I keep dropping tools. Then I also put the screwdriver away. I'll have to go get the screwdriver. Let me get through here. There it is. All right. Let me get the screwdriver, guys. I'll be right back. Thought I was done with it, but obviously not. And then get this screwed in. hopefully that'll hold the felt in place as well. Got some sealer on here. There it is. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try putting the felt down in the window channel here. So I'm going to work on that right now, and then I'll bring you back. Alright. Okay, give you a final. The felt is in. Had to do some trimming and a little bit of bending and stuff. But I got that in, and chrome's on. Let's crank the window up. Got a couple scratches I'll need to touch up, but it's not a big deal. It's just paint. There it is. Windows in. Felt is in. So it's tinted. I don't know if you could see it. Has a slight tint to it. Oh, and I got the scratch guards on here. So that's done. And I will bring you back later. I don't know when the next time, but when I come back, we'll do the other side. So until then, everybody have a good work week. It's Tuesday. It's nice. It's not raining anymore. And yeah, that's about it. All right, guys. We'll see ya.